Hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest with the Travel with Glenn Brands. The company Hirsch Marketing is looking for a content copywriter part-time. Now, who is this opportunity for? So Hirsch Marketing is one of the fastest growing digital marketing companies and is looking for a content copywriter to provide support to the marketing team. His position will be the point person for all content copywriting, including podcast assets, monthly marketing reports, clients' newsletters, case studies, nurture email campaigns, and social media content to build visibility and also nurture the existing followers base. The content copywriter will focus on using Emily's voice consistently throughout the copy. I guess Emily's voice. Emily is probably somebody who's part of the team or maybe the front person. I'm not sure. When you get started working there, you let me know. But when you work in the field of content marketing and you write for people, then you need to use their voice in like their writing style. This person will be immersed in the worlds of copywriting and digital marketing so they can drive strategy and content and bring ideas to the table to level up our content experience. So they tell you more about what you will be doing on a daily basis. So it's kind of like a combination of content, right, marketing and social media. So you will have email and social media related tasks, you'll have podcast related tasks, you'll have content marketing tasks, and so much more. So for you to succeed in this job, you will need 2 to 3 years of experience writing digital marketing copy, like social media, email, opt-in pages, podcast copy, expert level sales copywriting experience, ability to create copy for social media that reflects another person's voice. That's really, really important. Ability to move fast and meet deadlines. Clear indications that you can work under pressure and with tight deadlines without it impacting your work, detail-oriented and high organization and efficiency skills, and so much more. Why would you love working at this company? $25 hourly rate, 15 to 20 hours per week, 100% remote, employee referral programs, free space Fridays, open career paths for those who are willing to grow, and ample opportunities to implement your ideas and suggestions. If you are interested, simply click on the blue Apply Now button here, where you'll be redirected to creating an account, username and password here, like you just create an account here. And if you have applied to Hirsch Marketing jobs before, like I think I have posted a job from Hirsch Marketing on this platform before. If you have applied before, you simply use your logins and then you will go to your application and complete your application. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, drop a comment in the description box below to let me know what your skills category is so that my team and I can continue providing you different online job opportunity leads based on your skills category. Until then, take care and see you in the next video. Bye.